Hey guys, how's it going? Lone Wolf Lockpicker here. Uh, I messed up yesterday, made a little boo-boo when I did the left-handed lockpicking for the Leon's Lockpads giveaway challenge. I picked the lock left-handed, but I did not gut it and reassemble it left-handed. I completely forgot. So I'm gonna remake the video, delete the old one, and upload the new one. And I'm gonna use the same lock and everything, just making a new video. Same kwikset, same keying. And use 50 thousandths pry bar from Peterson and the short hook or hook one from Peterson as well. So we'll go ahead and see if we can't get this guy picked. And then gutted and reassembled. Two clicks off one. Click on two. Click on three. Click on four. Click on five. We've got it open. Alright, now let's see if I can remember to do this all left-handed. Okay, grab this. And need to lock that back up. Do everything left-handed. Take that off. Grab the key. There's the core. One, two, three, four, five. I think 4 and 5 got mixed up. Okay. Those tweezers are in my left hand. Let's see if we can't mess this up. So, spool in one. I'll get that out of there in a minute. Standard spool in two, or commercial spool in two. Another spool in three. Go in from the back side and get these guys. Spool in 5. It's a steel spring. Another spool in 4. Copper spring. Get this spring out of one real quick. Drop that on the floor. I need that to reassemble. There it is. Okay. So there's the pins, springs, and everything. Now I'm going to reassemble it left-handed. Which is really takes you out of your element. When you hear it, oh, I'm going to have to pick a lock left-handed, you don't think much of it, but definitely feels alien to me. Feels like I have never picked a lock, gutted a lock, or anything before in my life. Okay. Throw these two in from the back. There's 5. And here goes spring 3. Spool 3. Spring 2. Pin 2. And spring 1. Oh. And pin 1. Okay. Now let's get this core in there. Get this clip on. Alright guys, there it is. Picked, gutted, and reassembled, all left-handed. And again, want to give a shout out to Leon's Lockpad for doing the giveaway and making it a challenge, not just an entry, which is always fun, challenging you to do new things. And that's all I got for you guys this evening. I will put a link to Leon Lockpad's channel in the description. Thank you guys. See you next time. Have a good one.